Life has never promised us anything. One of the biggest mistakes we as people did was creating a spirit of entitlement towards life. You created a sense of entitlement that life owes you something, and through that you have become so comfortable that you think you do not have to do anything to get ahead in life. You've even gone as far as to say that life will sort me out. Or from a religious perspective, I'm waiting on God. But let me tell you, or let me be real with you, brother. For as long as you are sitting comfortably in your state hoping life will sort you out, I'm here to burst your bubble. Unfortunately, you will wait and wait till you cannot wait no more. And until you start doing something about it, you will remain in that poor state for the rest of your life. Or until you take action and do something about it. Do you think your situation is going to change? By watching Netflix the whole day or binging on the latest X-Men series? And at the same time, you expect that life must still happen for you. You will have to think again. If you want to be a millionaire, start doing what they are doing. If you want to be an entrepreneur, start moving with and do what they are doing. Nothing will ever happen if you do not take that step. Start getting uncomfortable to achieve your goals. Do you think losing 10 kgs is going to happen in a comfortable state? Do you think growing a business to an 8-9 figure business a year is going to happen while you're in a comfortable state? Do you think living a happy life and a fulfilled life will happen while you're living in a comfortable state? You have to get uncomfortable. Nothing has ever happened to no one while being in a relaxed state, while being in a comfortable state. Waking up at 4 a.m. to work on your goals while others are still comfortably sleeping under their warm blankets. Taking that uncomfortable cold plunges because you know it will bring you to a state of focus. Start getting uncomfortable. You cannot achieve nothing by being comfortable, or you will not achieve anything by being comfortable. I made this example a couple of episodes ago, and I said, when the entrepreneur made his first million, he didn't stop there. He went on. He didn't get comfortable. It just fueled him to go for the next, and the next, and the next. Same with a billionaire. Do you think the billionaire got to where he is by being comfortable? When he made or she made his first billion, it just fueled him to make the next, and the next, and the next. Start getting uncomfortable. What got me ahead in life was not being comfortable. If I know my enemy is working at a pace of 10%, I will give it 20%. If I know he or she is working at a pace of 50%, I will give it another 51%. If you want to get ahead, you need to put in the extra time. You need to put in the extra effort. You need to put in that extra percent. You need to put in that extra time. You cannot be comfortable and think you're gonna get ahead. It doesn't work like that. Start becoming uncomfortable. If we look at this concept from a biblical perspective, if Peter didn't take action when Jesus told him to get off the boat and start walking on water, he would have never known the possibility that he will be able to walk on water. You need to keep moving. Start getting uncomfortable. You have to take action. Nothing is going to happen if you're in a comfortable state. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. You can reach anything if you put your mind to it. Start taking action and become uncomfortable. You have made it thus far. Keep moving and start getting uncomfortable.